Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. So today we'll be decorating a Christmas wreath pull-apart cupcakes. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and also leave a comment. So if you have any question concerning this cupcake decorating tutorial, please leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to reply. So the frosting I'm using to decorate is whipped cream. You can use any frosting of your choice. And I'm just arranging the cupcakes to have a perfect round shape. So the piping tip I'm using is a 2M tip. You can use any piping tip of your choice that can give you a rosette shape. So thank you all so much for the support towards my Vlogmas series. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for liking my videos. And please don't forget to always share my videos so it can get to a wider audience. So now I'm done with piping the frosting. So the next thing is start decorating the wreath. So I'm using these DIY sprinkles that I made a few days ago. If you haven't seen that video, please click the icon above or check the description box below for the sprinkles recipe. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little of it on the cupcakes. And I also made some fondant decoration and a bowl, so I'm just going to go ahead and use them to decorate the cakes. So here is our beautifully decorated Christmas wreath cupcakes. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please go ahead and bake some cupcakes and frost them in any cream of your choice, and just make something really fancy for the holiday. It's the holiday season and you need to make something beautiful for your guests and your family. So this cupcake idea is a very nice one. It will give your guests and your family a lasting impression, whereby when you finish decorating, everybody just pull apart and start enjoying their cupcakes. I hope you found this helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. So until then, stay well and happy baking.